This is by far the easiest way that you are going to be able to predict and trade reversals. And the good thing about this system is that if you are using the system in the way that I'm about to describe, and I can show you exactly how to automate it as well, it's going to do 4 things for you. It's going to give you clear entry criteria. It is going to give you clear take profit criteria. It is going to give you clear stop loss criteria. It is going to save you time, remove emotions, and it's going to stop you from taking dumb trades, okay, which is basically what emotions are going to do. Now you can systemize this, okay? This is a full system by itself, but used in conjunction with other things, it is incredibly powerful. The people that are using this exact system, not one single one of them is unprofitable. You can literally make the biggest massive moves because it's showing you where the market is faking you out and grabbing liquidity before it actually reverses. And this is with institutional data. This isn't just some random, hey, I picked this out. No, this is where the institutional levels are. The structure of the market, the live structure of the market. And it is done automatically for you. It is systemized. And it's going to give you those clear entry and exit criterias, and it's going to make you get to your trades faster, and it can even alert you whenever it happens. So this is what is called market structure, but it's also, to be very, I guess, break it into something that's super specific, we are looking for liquidity grabs via something that is called a swing failure pattern, or an SFP. I'm going to call it SFPs, okay? Now, specifically, we are looking for a swing failure pattern of a swing failure pattern, because that is way more powerful than just one swing failure pattern. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like on the chart. Might sound confusing. As soon as you see it, you're going to get it. You're going to be like, oh! So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and it's very simple. It's very easy. I'm going to break it down so simply for you. All you have to have is Alpha Structure Suite. Go and get it. It's actually the first link in the description. But let me know what you think about this in the comments section. And anybody that already has this, this is exactly how you're going to use alpha structure to absolutely crush it inside of the market, okay? So let's talk about it. Now, as you can see, it took like, what, 3 seconds, 5 seconds or whatever. This works on every single time frame. It works on every single chart. It works on every single asset. This happens repeatably over and over and over and over again in the markets, and it absolutely prints money, okay? So let's just look at the swing failure patterns that we have on the chart. This is called a bearish swing failure pattern. That nice little triangle, and you can see it says 1 hour high bearish swing failure pattern. This is a double swing failure pattern right up here, right? As you can see, 1, 2 in a row. This is a bullish swing failure pattern at the 1 hour lows, okay? And this is a double bullish swing failure pattern at the 1 hour lows. So let's just go through this, and I'm going to show you every time that this happened and what the trade would have looked like, okay? So can we all agree that if you would have taken the swing failure pattern here, that you would have no matter what been profitable, okay? Because so long as you trail your stop loss down, you would not have gotten ripped back up to, you know, break even or to your stop loss, right? But I want to take it even a step further. So we know that this one, you got your move down, it played out, okay? It's really clear entry and exit criteria for a reason. Now, here's where you get your clear entry and exit criteria. Let's go to the other ones and let's play them out. This was your double SFP, right? Look how well that played out. This was your bullish SFP. You made money. This was your double bullish SFP. Look how well that played out. This was your double SFP to the downside, your bearish SFP. Look how well that played out, right? Then look at the swing failure pattern at the bottom. Look how well that played out. But look at this double SFP, right? Boom. Played out nice, came back down, boom, blasted up, right? Then you had another swing failure pattern right here, moved down, another swing failure pattern right here, didn't really get the move, you probably would have lost on that one. Swing failure pattern right here, moved down, you would have won. Swing failure pattern right here, you would have lost on it, no problem. You lost what, a couple of times? Swing failure pattern here, moved down a little bit, maybe you lost on this one, maybe you didn't, right? And then you had a swing failure pattern over here, a swing failure pattern over here, and a double SFP over here, okay? So I'm going to show you what this clear entry and exit criteria is and how you can use it, okay? Now, not only is this going to show you where the swing failure patterns are, but it's also going to show you where the structural highs and lows are. Okay, and using this in conjunction with order blocks, with naked VWAP, naked points of control, is super powerful. So whenever you see these double SFPs come in and you take your entry, look at how tight I can make my stop on this, right? So let's go ahead, I'm gonna do it. We're just gonna go to this one right here, okay? And this is where our old lows were, okay? This is where our old lows were. How do I know that? Because we swing failed those lows right here on this candle, okay? So I'm gonna show you the entry and exit criteria here, but just remember that our lows are literally right there, okay? Now, let's say you enter on the next candle. On the very next candle after the double swing failure pattern prints, guess where your stop loss is, okay? Your stop loss is gonna be right here above the swing failure pattern, okay? And then your exit criteria is going to be at the lows. Why? Because whenever we swing fail a high or a low, it's telling you that the market wants to reverse and they're faking you out and it wants to go back down and take out those lows in the case of a bearish swing failure pattern, and it wants to go back up and take those highs in the case of a bullish swing failure pattern, okay? So this is very simple. You enter on the next candle, your stop loss is outside of the swing failure pattern's top, and your exit criteria, your take profit, is at the lows. That's your target. Look at what you would have gotten. 4.5 risk to reward on that, right? Perfectly fine, no problem. So that is why I say, and let's play it out to the long side, right? Let's play it out to the long side. What you'll see a lot of times is you'll just keep swing failing. So right here, you got your double swing failure pattern, right? Let's go ahead and let's move our stuff. Let's move our stop. Our stop is right here, and then what are we doing? We're targeting the highs. Where were the highs? Right here. And then look what happened. You went right up to the highs, almost zero pullback, 7.5x risk to reward. And then guess what happened? These are now your lows, okay? You got a double swing failure pattern at the top. And then you just got to re-enter all over again. Here was your entry. Here was your stop loss for your double swing failure pattern, right? Where were your lows? Right here. We know that because market structure will tell us that live on the chart. When we're in a live environment, it will literally tell you there will be a line right here that says these are your lows on the 1 hour time frame. And look what you got. You got an 8x risk to reward right after you got a 7.5x risk to reward. And look, you went straight to it. Boom. It's literally that simple. Now, how do you know where those levels are? I'm going to show you. All you got to do is zoom out, and you will see that when you're in that live environment, it's actually showing me that, say we were to swing fail these lows right here, I know that my 1 hour highs are right there, so I would just be targeting that, okay? So it's very simple whenever you're setting it up in a live environment, and we can actually go back in time if we really want to, and I can show you this. We can delete this off of our chart, and I can show you this actually showing you in real time that these were your lows, okay? Because what we're assuming is that we're back in time, and this is where we're at, right? So whenever alpha structure pops up, it's going to show you right here, look at that, 1 hour phantom low, you got your double SFP, here was your stop loss, and it showed you where your actual exit criteria is at that time, okay? Now, you can go back and you can backtest all of this. You can do this as many times as you want. But when those double SFPs come, my friends, you are getting such a good entry and stop loss and exit criteria. The system, it works. It just works so well, and you can do it inside of any market. And I challenge you to go out and try it. And if you're already using the indicators, this is one of the ways that you're going to be able to use the indicators effectively to have your targets. Now, obviously, there will be other targets in between there, right? Say that you're using the order blocks set and the order block suite, and there's an order block that comes before those 1 hour lows. Then you just want to take notice of that. Maybe that's your, exit criteria, right? Maybe there's a naked level, a naked POC, or a naked VWAP that you can see, right? And I'll show you on the chart actually really quickly. Order block suite, naked POC, and naked VWAP suite. We'll turn them all on, and we'll see what pops up. So as you can see, there were no naked VWAPs, no naked points of control, and no order blocks in between where price was at, where we entered, and the 1 hour lows, okay? So if I don't have any naked VWAPs, naked POCs, or order blocks here, then I know that that is my take profit, my exit criteria. So do with that information what you will. It's probably one of the most powerful systems that you can use. And honestly, it's super profitable. I use it every single day. When I see these double SFPs, I already know what time it is. I already know exactly what I'm going to be looking for. I already know my entry and my exit criteria. And I know that if I lose 1 or 2 times, that on the next one, I can literally lose 5, 6 times in a row if I have an 8x risk to reward and I still make money. I could have a 15%, I could have like a 15% win rate and still be making money, which is absolutely insane. Obviously, this does not give you a 15% win rate. It gives you more like a 60 to 70% win rate, as I kind of showed you on the chart. But you see where I'm going with it. So go and use that system, man. Like use it and abuse it, because I mean, I developed this over 10 years, and it's available to you.